What's up, good people? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. So my husband has been sick the past couple days. He's feeling a lot better. So I decided I'm just gonna deep clean the bathroom because I mean it's not terrible, but to me it just feels just really nasty. So I'm just gonna like clean it and disinfect it. Thank God I have not gotten sick since he's been sick. He's been sick for almost a week now. And so today I'm actually going to be doing like a serious clean and disinfection. So I'm using these products that I don't really use every day. Like these are not my everyday products, but I do use them. And I'm going to be using Clorox bleach, bathroom spray, and then Lysol disinfectant spray, along with some other products because I'm really trying to like not only clean but disinfect. And I also got like my bleached out shirt. I got my white pants. So I'm really ready to get down into it. All right, y'all, do not be alarmed, but this is what my bathroom is looking like. Like I said, my husband has been sick, so it's just been like crazy. The toilet is not too bad. In the shower, we got towels on the floor. And like I said, this isn't so much of like a super deep detailed clean, but it's more like a disinfection. Y'all see this fly? I don't know if y'all see it. That is so disgusting. All right, y'all, the bathroom is officially clean, sparkling, disinfected, all that good stuff. And thank y'all so much for tuning in. I did not post a video yesterday because yesterday was Easter and I was, of course, observing, resurrection of Jesus Christ and all that good stuff. But I am posting a video, God willing, every day in the month of April. So go ahead and subscribe and join. I'm gonna go ahead and light this candle just so that I can really get like a nice aroma going. Again, thank y'all so much for tuning in and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.